I took the supermarket flyers from the windowsill. I threw the day-old tea from the cup. Packed up the photo album Matthew had made, memories of a life that's been loved. Took the get well soon cars and stuffed animals. Poured the old ginger beer down the sink. Dad always told me, don't you cry when you're down, but Mum, there's a tear every time that I blink. Oh, I'm in pieces, it's tearing me up, but I know a heart that's broke is a heart that's been loved. So I'll sing hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. When I fell down, you'd be there holding me up. Spread your wings as you go. When God takes you back, He'll say hallelujah, you're home. I fluffed the pillows, made the bed, stacked the chairs up, folded your nightgowns neatly in a case. John said he'd drive, then put his hand on my cheek and wiped a tear from the side of my face. And I hope that I see the world as you did, 'cause I know a life with love is a life that's been lived. So I'll sing hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. When I fell down, you'd be there holding me up. Spread your wings as you go. And when God takes you back, He'll say hallelujah, you're home. Hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. You got to see the person I have become. Spread your wings and I know that when God took you back, He said hallelujah, you're home.
Sorry.
Ay, sana masaya ako kasi naman.
Emotional?
Dami.
Maganda yung ganyan yung Tagalogin natin. Maganda sa Tagalog eh. Tagalog tayo din. Sagot natin.
Diba? Butter. Sa likod ng tanawin, ilaw may
Ako'y ipiniit ng linsil na puno, hangad palibasang diwa ko'y piitin, katawang marupok, anya'y pagsuko, damdamay supil, namithiin ay supil. Ikinulong ako sa kutang malupit, bato, bakal punlo, balasik ng bantay, lubos na tiwalag sa buong daigdig, at inaring kahit buhay man ay patay. Sa munting dungawan, tanging abot malas ay sandi pang langit na puno ng luwa, maramot na birang ng pusong may sugat, watawat ng aking pagkapariwara. Sintalim ng kidlat ang mga mata ng tanod, sa pintong may susi walang makalapit, sigaw ng bilanggo sa kadabing muog, anak yan tungal ng hayop sa yungib, sa magapoy tila taningan kala, nakalakalagkad ng paang madugo, ang buong magdamag ay nakakulambong luksa ng kabaong waring lungga ng bilanggo. Kung minsa'y magdaan ang payak na yabag, kawil ng kadena ang kumakalanding, sa maputlang araw saglit ibinibilad, sanlibong aninong iniluwa ng dilim. Kung minsan ang gabi biglang magulantang, sa udyat may takas at asod ng punlo. Kung minsan tumagis ang lumang batingaw, sa bitayang muog may naghihingalo. At ito ang tanging daigdig ko ngayon, bilangguang manding, libing ng buhay, 10, 20 at lahat ng taon ng buong buhay ko'y dito mapigtal. Ngunit yaring diway, walang takot hirap, tamang paniniil ang may bayang gaganti. At bukas dyan din aking matatanaw, sandi pang langit na wala ng luha, sisikat ang gintong araw ng tagumpay.